Welcome back, everyone. This video is for your zine assignment. In my previous video, I showed you step-by-step how to create your own zine using a plain piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So this video is for your zine assignment. So make sure when creating your zine that other people looking at it can understand what it's about. So I also want you to remember that zines are a powerful way to share information with others. So think about the cover of your zine. In this next example that I made, does my zine tell the viewer what it's about? How did I do that? What did I draw or write to show what my zine is about? So I wrote in big letters, what to pack when you travel. And I did 3 drawings, a plane, a car, and a boat. So already my viewer, the person looking at my zine, my audience, knows what my zine is about. I tried to be very clear and obvious with my cover. So your assignment is to create a zine about your choice of subject, your favorite food, your favorite sport, or more than one sport, a special toy or stuffed animal, clothing, music, or a hobby, which is something that you enjoy doing in your free time. So thanks for listening and good luck with your assignment. Bye-bye.